destruction. The planet Tabian is struck by a meteor in the deepest parts of the galaxy. But what's this? The incredibly useful exploits of duct tape enthusiast Limbo Ducton are able to hold the planet together, preventing annihilation. The success of his duct tape fixture ushers in a new era for the people of Tabian, one that revolutionizes architecture, agriculture, and even arts and crafts. Now, reveling in the amazement of this incredible super material, Tabian wishes to spread its duct tape culture with the rest of the galaxy.
Greetings, Earth children, and welcome to Planet Tabian. I am your rather stylish host, Limbo Ducton. You know, I may be an expert on all things duct tape, but you'll be surprised to know I actually have a rather remarkable fashion sense as well. Take my duct tape jacket, for example. These are expertly crafted, gene-encoded sleeves that actually contain raw potential energy, giving me the power to lift most objects that exist on the ethereal plane. What? You say pure engineering ability has no merit when it comes to style? Well, my mother always did say the gold was a little flashy, but I think this is the marvelous opportunity I've been waiting for to show my true abilities in the world of fashion with some amazing duct tape bracelets. For this craft, you'll need to cut out a 6-inch strip of duct tape. This will be your primary beginning to most of the steps we are going to be repeating later. Once you have your 6-inch strip, tear it off and set it up like so. Now you're going to want to be very careful to make sure you align those edges correctly, making sure not to leave any sticky residue. It's okay if there's some. You can just fold it in like that. Now, once you have your little duct tape strip here, you can close it up like this, just fold it in half long ways, and then once short ways. Once you have this, you can grab any ordinary pair of earth scissors and use it to cut very carefully. Make sure you cut directly down the center and then down the top, leaving you with a sort of a little bit of a T-shaped little duct tape strip. Now, you'll need to fold it back up and proceed to make the little acquisition hole. And you can cut it long ways and then fold it once. And once you're there, you have to cut back into it. Once you have that cut, you'll be surprised to know that you actually have the essential component in making your bracelet. Now, in order to attach your bracelet strands together, you need simply slide this into the hole. And then slide this end into the other hole. Once you do that, you'll have the first components. And all you need to do is repeat this step multiple times, which will leave you with a rather remarkable looking duct tape bracelet. Just look at that. Now, with this, you may attend all of your Earthling events in style. Also, I can attend all of my long, cold nights in the laboratory in style as well. I really do think I'm getting the hang of this whole fashion thing. In fact, I can't wait to... Wait, Mother, how did you even get this frequency? What? The bracelet's flashy too? No, it's got pure style in it. All right, well, I better go take care of this. Oh, and remember, stick to what you know, but never be afraid to try something new. This is Limbo Ducton, signing off. Tapu, tapu.